beautiful. I think every coast in Denmark is beautiful.
Ritesh Agarwal har satset en del af sin milliardformue i Danmark, og for ham er det slet ikke mærkeligt.
Danish companies employ over 100,000 Indian people in India. Did you know this?
No.
It's incredible.
Oyo के founder and group CEO Ritesh Agarwal.
Indiske arbejdspladser er noget, han har forstand på. Som stjerne i den indiske udgave af Løvens Hule med 10 millioner seere, har han sat gang i lidt af hvert. Men milliarderne til trods, så rejser han ikke, som man måske skulle tro, i private jetfly og limousiner.
The one that you see at the corner.
Aha.
That's the dance center and Danland car.
I see. It's far from a limousine, I say.
Far from a limousine.
Yeah. But you have the money. Why not a big limousine or a helicopter?
Look, I think that it's a personal choice. I think there's some people who have wealth and they use it for those reasons. I think I'm the kind of person who had nothing. I grew up in a town, I was telling you, where the 80% of the people earn less than $100 a year.
Sin formue skabte han på smarte bookingsystemer til hoteller, og det var det, der ledte ham til at købe majoriteten i Dancenter for 5 år siden.
Be honest, straightforward.
Det gik godt, lige til i år, og nu er han altså på rundtur. Her er det filialen i Blokhus, for at få moralen op og tilliden tilbage.
We have been frustrated, very frustrated, the last couple of months.
Kort sagt så lavede Dancenter en kampagne, hvor de lejede huse ud på rigtig populære tidspunkter, ikke mindst i påsken, men der var bare et problem.
You actually rented out the house before knowing if the owner was okay with it.
Yeah, so I think...
It sounds a bit smart.
Yes.
Too smart.
Yes, that's fair. I think we acknowledge that, so it was a mistake. We have learned from it.
Dancenter er efter de nyeste anmeldelser på Trustpilot godt på vej til at få rettet skuden op, og planerne er store.
Danish summer houses are special and unique. I don't think you find them anywhere outside of Scandinavia. You find them only in Scandinavia. And you'll find this, we're actually wanting to take Dance Center and its house designs to other parts of the world.
Danske sommerhus over hele verden. Havde den idé måtte fået penge i den danske Løvens Hule? Tja, hvem ved. Tiden vil vise, om ideen nu holder med en inder i spidsen.